I hope all of you are happy. Brother, today I will talking and discussing about that how to download and install the Sony Vegas Pro 17 OG in our PC or computer. Okay. So first of all, you have to download the Sony Vegas Pro 15, Pro 17, okay, and then you have to install it. Uh, in the description, I will giving the link of the Sony Vegas Pro 17. Okay, then you have to go to the site, to the official site, and download it. So let's go. First of all, we have to open. This is the this is the zip file. Okay, and this is the extract file. You have to right click on it and extract file here. I'm not extracting because I extracted already. So open it, open the setup, click here, right side, click the right side, run as administrator. It will take some time. Click on yes. It will be downloading. It will be downloading, installing. Okay, I'm refreshing it. This is the setup. Okay, click your selective language. Okay, English. I select English, and I have read end user license agreement in privacy policy and agree to their terms. Okay, I agree. Click on agree and click on next. Create on shortcut, desktop shortcut when you want. Okay, when you want to edit on the computer display and the computer desktop, you have to click on create shortcut, install. So brother, see here, the Sony Vegas Pro 17.0 has been successfully installed, and we have to click on finish, and then go to the page and click on it. Okay, run is administrator. It is click on next, install. Sony Vegas Pro build has been installed on your computer. Click on finish to close the wizard. Okay, click on it, and here it is the Sony Vegas. Click double click on it. Now we see that is it actually working or not with license. Okay, see here brother, license to some users. Okay, ये बाज यानी